Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to view your connections' focused messages on LinkedIn. With the updates to LinkedIn's messaging system, it's easier than ever to keep track of important conversations. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your account. The app is user-friendly and designed to help you connect with your network seamlessly. Once you're in the app, look towards the top corner of the screen. You'll see a messaging icon that resembles an envelope or speech bubble. Click on this icon to access your messages. This is where all your communication happens, and it's essential for staying connected with your professional network. After clicking on the messaging icon, you'll be taken to your inbox. Here, you will notice two main sections: Focused and Other. To view messages specifically from your connections, click on the message section labeled Focused. This tab is designed to prioritize messages that matter most to you, filtering out noise and distractions. Now, if you want to refine your view even further, look for an option labeled All Filters. Click on this to access more filtering options. Here, you can choose My Connections. This will allow you to see only the messages from people you are directly connected with on LinkedIn. By following these simple steps, opening the LinkedIn app, clicking on the messaging icon, selecting the Focus tab, and filtering by My Connections, you can easily manage your inbox and ensure that important messages don't get lost in the shuffle. Remember, LinkedIn's Focused Inbox feature is a powerful tool designed to enhance your messaging experience by organizing conversations based on relevance and importance. By utilizing this feature effectively, you can maintain strong connections and ensure that you're always in touch with those who matter most in your professional journey. That's all for today. Happy networking on LinkedIn.